everybody. Welcome back from your staycation of spring break. We're just going to jump right back into social studies, but I hope all of you are feeling safe and healthy. So this is what we're going to be doing today and Wednesday. So what you guys are going to be doing is you are going to be looking at different kinds of cities, and you are going to be comparing them and thinking about how the livability is in each of these cities. So what you're going to first do is you are going to refer to this Google slide, which is attached to your assignment, called City Comparisons. And in this Google slide, there are different categories or different parts of a city that you look for the livability. So the first part we're talking about here is green and open space. So here's New York City in Central Park, and then here's Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and this is the favelas that are in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So what we want you guys to do is we want you to analyze these pictures, read the captions, and really think about the differences between these two pictures. You guys are going to be looking at each of these slides. So this is Chicago, Illinois, this is New Delhi, India, and then the theme of this slide is transportation. So here in Chicago, we have many different types of transportation that help people get from place to place. And one example that I thought about was the L. So this is a map of where all the train stops are for the L. And this is what one of the L lines looks like. And then here's New Delhi, India. They also have many different forms of transportation, but sometimes the rules are very loosely enforced and they don't have super designated areas for each of their types of transportation. So sometimes it could end up looking like this. Okay, so you're going to be looking through various slides. So this one talks about crowds and how they're managed. This one talks about air quality. This one talks about the neighborhood architecture, public architecture. Here's something about schools, and then here's something about businesses and different urban areas. Then after you analyze the pictures on the slides and read the captions, I want you to begin your city comparison reflection. On the city comparison reflection, this is what you are going to have to do. You are going to have to choose 3 slides. That's it. And you only have to fill out these 3 boxes here. So let's say I chose this slide, so I wanted to do Chicago, Illinois, and New Delhi, India. Once I chose that slide, the first 3 boxes, what they tell you to do is you are going to analyze the 2 photos on the slide, and then you are going to have to describe 3 observations that you saw in each photo. So in these first 3 boxes, you are going to write your observations. Okay, so you're going to have 1 observation, another observation, and then other 3 observations about the pictures of New Delhi, India. After you have finished your observation, the 4th box is a question that you came up with either of the 2 photos on each slide. You do not have to do every single slide. You only have to do the 3 slides above. If you want to look at a high quality observation and a high quality question, I highly suggest that you look at the examples up here. If you have any questions, please email me. This assignment will be due on Wednesday night, so Wednesday, April 8th at 9 p.m. Please stay quarantined, and I really hope to see you soon.